To a family, a star was born. To a nation, a pace-setter is established. To planet Earth, a light emerged. Divinity and humanity rejoice at your birth. Every year, your birthday reminds us of how much more we have to achieve in life if we want to be half of the extraordinary human that you are. The undecoding dimension of the divinity surpasses the ordinary. You manifest unusual wisdom and intelligence as kingdom ambassador. No wonder, after all these years of achievement, you still press actualizing your dreams and visions. You are such an inspiration to all. Your soul is pure. Your heart is priceless. Your passion is outstanding. You made the future brighter than a billion lights. You got such a free and cheerful spirit in your capacity. You made the heavens proud and gave hope to humanity. You are God's mouthpiece, an apostle of our generation, a voice to the nation. We waited 364 days to finally get to this special time to wish you, the Restoration Apostle Johnson Suleiman, General Overseer, Omega Fire Ministries Worldwide, a blissful and a wonderful happy birthday.